Hi, okay, so we're going to graph a segment based on the restrictions of the domain and range. And you can see the domain says that we're going from -4 to +9. The 9 is included. How do we know? Because it has, you guys like to call the crocodile with a line underneath it. On the other side, it just has the open mouth crocodile with no line underneath. So that means that the -4 is not included, but the 9 is included. And if we're going to write that in interval notation, remember parentheses mean that it's not included. Bracket means it is included. So the -4 is not included. The bracket is included. Same thing with the range. We're going from -5, which is not included, through 11, which is included. And remember, the range are the y values. In interval notation, that would be -5 with a parentheses because it's open, and 11 is included as the as the bottom. So remember, once again, guys, domain means left to right, range means bottom to top. So now we have all our information we need to graph this. So you can do it in any order you want. What I suggest is maybe you start with the domain and just do the x values first. So we're going from -4, that's our most to the left, and we're going all the way up to +9, which is the most to the right. Those are our domain values from left to right, -4 to -9. But we know that the 9 is included, so that point at the end should be filled in. But on the other side, the -4 is not included. So if we click on that point A, you can see what opens up here. Okay, we can change that to a hollow point. And by changing to a hollow point, it means that that endpoint is not included. Okay, so -4, which is at point A, is not included, but 9 is included. All right, so we finished with the domain. Now let's do the range. The range tells us that we're going to start down at -5. So let's just take this down to -5, and we're still at -4 for our x. So that point is -4, -5, which is exactly where that point is, -4, -5. Now we're going to do the other side. Let me just move this over here a little bit. And we're going from what? We're going from -5 up to 11 as far as our y values go, or our range goes. So we're going to take this all the way up to 11. We want to make sure that we keep it on the x is 9, right? We're going to keep it here. We're just raising it up to 11. Okay, so let's see if we got everything we need. We're going from left to right, from -4 to +9. If we look up, that is a positive line. If we look over here, we're at -4. Then we want to go from bottom to top. So let's make sure the bottom is at -5 and the top is at +11. So we're all good. The point at point B, remember this one, the 9, 11 is included, but at -4, -5, it's not included. So we have to have that open circle on that side, that open point. And we're done. Okay, so there we go. Our domain and range are graphed with a segment. Now we could use different graphs. We could use other kind of graphs. We don't have to use a line segment, but for right now, we're going to work with line segments, and we'll move on to other kinds in a little bit.